Setting goals is the first step towards turning the invisible into the visible. To embark on this journey, begin by clarifying what you truly desire. Write down your goals to give them tangible form. This act of writing serves as a commitment and a reminder of your ambitions, making it real and worthwhile to pursue. Next, break your goals down into smaller, manageable tasks. This segmentation creates a clear path, allowing you to take one step at a time. Each small completion ignites motivation, propelling you forward and making the larger goal less daunting. Celebrate these small victories as they accumulate, fostering a sense of accomplishment. Time management is a crucial element in pursuit of the goal. Prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Utilize tools like calendars and planners to allocate specific time to goal and activity. This disciplined approach not only organizes your efforts, but also maximizes productivity. In addition, develop a growth mindset. Embrace failures and setbacks as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable barriers. Reflect on what went wrong, learn from it, and adapt your strategies moving forward. This resilience is essential for maintaining momentum on the path to your goals. Accountability can significantly enhance your commitment to achieving your goals. Share your objectives with a trusted friend or mentor who can offer support and check in on your progress. This external encouragement provides motivation, and the act of sharing your aspirations reinforces your dedication. Furthermore, visualize your success. Imagine yourself reaching your goals vividly and in detail. This positive imagery fosters belief in your capabilities and heightens your motivation. The stronger the visualization, the more it begets confidence and determination. Don't forget to seek continual education. Invest time in acquiring these skills that align with your goals. This proactive approach not only enriches your knowledge, but also enhances your chances of success in informed decision-making. Lastly, reflect regularly on your progress and adjust your plans as needed. Assess what works well and what doesn't. Adaptability is key in keeping your goals relevant and achievable in the face of changing circumstances. By embracing these strategies, you empower yourself to turn aspirations into achievements. Transform your dreams into reality, step by step. Clarity, perseverance, and dedication. Success is within your reach.